Yeah, hello. My name is Christian Walter from TradeVola, and today we want to talk about how to link your account to an introducing broker. We will do this with the example of TradeStation International or TradeStation Global. For this, I already opened the account management in the background. As you might already know, from time to time, the client portal or the account management is changing a bit. To find the account settings, you have to go here to the profile icon. Then you will find settings, and in the next step, you can see here account settings. And under account settings, there's a link account to advisor, broker, and administrator. We will click on this. Then you will have 4 different options to select. You need to select link my existing account to an advisor or broker. So the second option, also this wording from time to time changes a little bit, but this is the right option. Then we press continue. And now the important thing, you have to copy and paste the ID, what you got from TradeStation in an email to the field. The first is an I, a capital letter, and then exactly the wording of TradeStation International as account title. If you have more than one account, you can also select if both accounts should be moved. Otherwise, this option will not appear if you have only one account. So account ID and advisor broker account title, TradeStation International Limited. Most important also, you will see if I continue and go to the next page, only TradeStation or only IB UK accounts at the moment are able to link with TradeStation. So if you have any other IB account like IB US or IB Ireland, you will get the following error message. The broker account is of a different entity. So this is normal. If you see this message, means you don't have an IB UK account and you can't link it with TradeStation International. In this case, you have to open a new account from the beginning, and you can do an internal transfer of your positions of your cash from your existing IB account to the new one, what is then already linked to TradeStation International.
Yeah, thank you for watching the video. We will be happy if you have any comments. Please feel free to type everything below the video. Also, we are happy for every like. And if you want to see more information, please subscribe to our channel. We will be happy to host you for one of the next videos or webinars. Thank you very much.